Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn about the phonic sounds. Okay, phonic sounds of alphabet, that is A to Z. As you know that A to Z, these are the letters, these are the alphabet, but small a to Z, these are the sounds. Actually these alphabets are related to sounds. So today let us learn the basic sounds. ఈ రోజు మనము basic sounds మీకు నేను హిందీలో ప్లస్ తెలుగులో చూపిస్తాను. So let us start the alphabet and their sounds, phonic sounds. So you all of you know that this A B C D till Z, these all are, we treat these as a small a b c d, but these words are related to phonic sounds. Now let me explain the basic sounds of A to Z. This is A alphabet. We say A, but it pronounced in different sounds. Actually we all of you know that there are 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. These 5 letters are vowels, but these 5 letters produce 12 pure vowels and 8 diphthongs. That means they have 20 sounds. These 5 vowel letters have 20 sounds, and in previous video I have explained about these things. I will give the link, I will share the link with this video, so for that you clear your doubts in that video. Now let me say clear about the basic phonic sounds of these letters. So A, this gives the sound, this produces the sound. This is Telugu letter and this is Hindi letter. A Hindi A. And this is B. This B produces B, not ba. When you add B A, it becomes ba. Idi ba avutundi. Idi ba avutundi. Kani ba kaadu idi. Weak ba. Okay. This is ba, but this is weak ba. Okay. B. Then next C. C produces k. Okay. K. C produces k. It is not k, it is k. Okay, it is k. D. D produces d. This is not d. This is not d. It is wrong. It is d. Weak d. A. A produces a. F produces not fa. If we add a, it becomes fa, but it is not fa. It is f. Weak fa. That is f. Then next G. G produces g. Not ga. It is not ga. It is weak ga. That is g. Ha. H produces not ha. H. I produces e sound. E. J produces j. Weak j. K produces k. Weak k. Not k. When I add a, it becomes k, but it is not k. It is weak k. Then next L. L produces l sound, not la. It is l. Weak la. L. Then M. M produces weak, not ma. It is wrong. When we add a only, it becomes ma, but this is weak. Next is N. N produces not na. Weak na. Then O. O produces o. O sound. O. P produces p. This is not pa. It is p. weak p. Q. Q produces qua sound, qua, qua. Ka plus va, ka plus va, qua. R. R letter produces r, not ra. It is not ra, it is weak ra, r, r. Your tip tongue should touch your ridged part. Paina mana టిప్ టంగ్ కొన నాలుక పైన పార్ట్ మన నోట్లో ఉన్న పైన పార్ట్కి తగలాలి, కిందికి రావద్దు అది. దెన్ ఎస్ ప్రొడ్యూసెస్ లైక్ హిస్సింగ్ సౌండ్ ఆఫ్ స్నేక్, పాము బుసలు కొట్టేటటువంటి సౌండ్. నాట్ సా, ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ సా, ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ సా. We are not adding sa, so it is weak sa. Then next t produces t. Then u produces a. Then v produces o, not va. It is not va. This is weak va. O. Then w, same, w also produces o, weak va. But when we read the words which begins with v, our upper teeth presses the lower lips when we produce v. For example, vine, wine. We are pressing our lower lips with upper teeth. పైన పళ్ళతో కింది పెదవిని నొక్కి పట్టి ఈ వీని మనం ప్రొనౌన్స్ చేస్తాం. అదేవిధంగా when we pronounce wine, we pronounce wine. We round our lips when we pronounce w. We round our lips. Wine. This kind of difference between this va and this va. Okay, only when you observe you can notice, you can get the correct pronunciation. So this is pressing the lower lips with upper teeth. This is rounding lips when you pronounce this wine, so you have to round your lips, that is wine. This is the difference between v and w pronunciation. Now next x produces ka plus sa. Then next y produces weak ya, that is ya, like this way, ya, that is not ya, that is ya. Okay, now next is z produces weak j. These are the basic sounds which the alphabets produce, and there are other sounds. Let us explain that sounds. You please concentrate on that. As I told you that a produces a sound, and there are some more phonic sounds which a produces. Let me explain that sounds. A produces not only a sound. See, let me give some examples of a sound. This is Telugu letter and this is Hindi letter. So let me say cake, bake, name. This is a sound. This is a sound. This is the symbol of phonic sound. So cake, bake, name, or same, SAME is same, or gate. This is a sound of a sound. So a, sometimes a produces a sound. Sometimes it also produces ya sound, ya or ya. It is actually, it is not ya, it is ya plus a. It's a kind, this is the symbol of, this is the phonetical symbol of a sound. That is, we get this sound in sat. This is the a sound, sat, mat, fan, pan, answer, apple, This is a sound. This is the phonic symbol of this a sound. So we don't have this sound in our Indian language. We have a, ya, but this is a plus ya. This is a kind of sat, mat. Opening your mouth and pronouncing a. It is not pakka our Indian sound. That our Indian sound has ya sound, ya, but it is not ya. It is a. Sat, mat, fan, pan, answer, apple, like that way. And next one is, next sound we have a. Next a produces o sound. O, this is Hindi and this is o sound Telugu. So the words which produce which have o sound is ball, tot, o sound, o sound. This is the symbol. This is the symbol. And next is a sound, not a, but it is weak a. This is a symbol of weak a. This is a symbol of weak a. Okay. Actually, we don't have this sound in our Indian language. We have a. We have a, but we don't have this weak a. This is weak a. For example, we see this sound in again, about. This is weak a. Again, about, across. This is across. This is ability. Ability. This is not a. This is not a. This is weak a. Again, about, across, ability, weak a. So the stress goes here. Okay. So this is weak a. We don't have this sound in our Indian language. E sounds మన Indian language లో లేదు. మన Indian language లో లేని sound a and weak a. So be careful when you produce this a sound in the words. Now next let me give some words which have different sound. And as I told you, C has k sound. It also have k and s. Let me explain about this C sound. So the letter C has s sound. This produces s sound. So s sound. When does it produce s sound? Cycle, C. Though it is C, it produces sa sound. Cycle, circle. Next, cycle. Yes. So center. Okay. So did you observe here when C follows with E-I-Y, okay, when this C follows with E-I-Y or Y-I-E, that produces yes sound, sound, okay, sound. And for all the other letters, for example, the C produces ka sound. C produces ka sound when it follows with COP, cop. See here it produces ka sound. Cop, cook, cup, candle. So here this C produces ka sound. So all the C's when follows with other than this E-I-Y, with other letters, when it follows, so it produces ka sound. So this is the difference between sa and ka. So C produces not only ka sound but also it produces sa sound. So now next is let me explain the sound of E. Now as I told you, E produces a sound. Not only it produces a, for example, E, letter E produces a sound. A, this is Hindi and this is Telugu, and this is a symbol, phonic symbol. Hen, pen, okay, end. These are the sounds. A sound, okay. Though it is E, it produces a sound, and in some words it produces E sound, E. E sound. This is the E symbol. So ear, E sound. This is ear, E sound. Long vowel. When we have long vowel means two vowels. So when two vowels takes place, the first letter produces its letter name. E, as it is EAR, it produces E sound. Ear, eagle, eagle, E. Okay, eagle, eat, eat. So this is the long vowel sound. So E also produces A as well as E sound. Okay, E also produces A as well as E sound. Now let me explain about the G sound. We all of us think that G produces ga sound. No, it also produces ga sound and it also produces ja sound. Now let me explain about the ga sound. Ga. This is ga sound. So when it produces ga sound, game, ga sound, game, gum, ga sound, good, ga sound, got, ga sound. Did you observe here? These all G produces ga sound. Game, gum, good, got. Now let me explain the G which gives ja sound. Ja. This is ja sound. This is a symbol of ja sound in phonetic symbol. This is the phonetic symbol of ja sound. Then let me explain about this ja. When it produces ja sound, gentle. See, gentle, huge, huge, ja sound, ja sound, ja sound. Ginger, ginger, ja sound, ja sound. Gym, G-Y-M, gym. Did you observe here? The G letter, when it follow with E-I-Y, see, E-I-Y, E-I-Y, as the letter C follows. Same thing here also. When G follows with E-I-Y, it produces ja sound. Okay, hope you understood. And let me explain about the letter I, which gives letter I. It produces a sound, a sound, a sound. How it produces? La, see, la, l, a, light. This is a, I. Actually it is diphthong, double sound, I, okay, a sound, I, light, tie. So ice, I, a sound. Okay, this is a sound. Actually this is diphthong, I, a, e, double sound, a, e, a, e. As this is long vowel, these are long vowels. So first sound is produced, but as it is diphthong, we have double sound, a, e, I, light, tie, ice. Okay, so I produces a, as well as it also produces e sound, e sound. For example, India, e sound, India. Okay, India, infant, inch, e sound, inch, ink, okay, ink, okay, like that way. So India, infant, inch, ink. So here I produces sound E. This is E sound. This is E sound. This is E sound. This is E sound. So all the phonetic sounds takes the slash, two slashes. Okay, this is E sound. I produces A and E sound. Okay. Then next, as I told you, O produces O. This is the basic sound, but it has some more sounds. O also produces O letter. This also produces O sound. O. Words like old, gold, like that way. O sound. O. This is a symbol of O. Okay. Then it also produces A sound. A. Telugu A and Hindi A. Out. A. out, this is out, and out. Next is owl, like that way, sound, it produces sound, okay, out, owl, and it also produces sound, it also produces sound. For example, good, room, good, room, soon, food, sound, good, room, this is short o, this is long o, soon, this is long o, food, this is long o, this is short o, this is short o, this is short o, this is long o. So this is short o, this is long o, good, room, soon, food. So o also produces o sound, a sound, and u sound. Okay, hope you understood. Now next let me explain about the T sound. T letter which produces ta sound, ta sound, tall, ta sound, touch, 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 ta sound. So next let me explain about the T sound which produces cha sound, cha, nature. So though it is T here, it produces cha sound. This is a symbol of cha, nature. Picture, see, picture, this is a symbol of cha sound, this is a symbol of cha sound. Picture, future, this is a symbol of cha, this is a symbol of cha. Nature, picture, future. Though it is T here, it takes cha sound. Though it is T, it takes ta sound, cha sound. Next one is sha sound. It also gives sha sound, sha. It also gives sha sound. For example, dictation. See, dictation. Though it is T, it gives dictation, sha sound. Okay, sha sound, sha. And suggestion, sha. This is a sha symbol. This is sha symbol. Okay, this is sha symbol. So though it is T, it produces sha sound, cha sound, ta sound. So T produces three sounds: ta sound, cha sound, and sha sound. And next one, let me explain about U. The letter U, it produces a sound, a. You all of you, this is common in our Indian language. We have this sound in our Indian language. For example, bug, bug. This is a symbol of a, symbol of a, bug. Bulb, this is a symbol of bulb. Bus, bus. Cup, a sound, a symbol. This is a symbol of a, symbol of a, symbol of a. So as in bug, though it is U, it produces a sound in some words. And also it also produces ya sound, okay, ya. Ya, use, okay, use, cube, ka plus ya, cube, okay, cube, ta plus ube, tube, ya, tube, okay, ya sound, this is ya sound, tube, okay, tube, cube. So ya sound is, this is a symbol of ya sound, this is a symbol of ya sound, okay, this is a symbol of ya sound, So use, cube, tube, like this way, it also produces ya sound. Next, it also produces u sound, push, u sound, This is symbol U. This is Hindi U. Push, push, bush, pull. This is U sound. U sound. Okay, pull, push, bush, pull. Or Uttar Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, U sound. These all are U sound, U sounds. Though it is U, it gives U sound. Push, bush, pull. Okay, U sound. Next is E sound. It also produces E sound. E. This is the E symbol. Okay, E sound. Where how? Busy, busy, busy. Though it is U, it gives E sound. Busy, business. E sound, business. Okay, business. Okay, like that way. U produces A sound. U gives Ya sound. U gives U sound, and U gives E sound. Okay, this produces A, Ya, U, E. And next one is Y. The last letter Y. As I told you, this gives Ya sound. This also produces Ya and E. Let me first explain the sounds of Ya, phonic sounds of Ya. So this we can see in yes, Ya sound. Ya. This is a symbol of Ya. Yes. Young. This is a symbol of Ya. Yes, young, yesterday, yesterday, yoga. This is a symbol of Ya sound. Yoga, yellow. So this Y is pronounced as Ya sound here. This Y pronounced as Ya sound here in this yes, young, yesterday, yoga, yellow. And it also pronounce I. Okay, it also pronounce I. So SKY, sky. See, when Y letter ends in a word, that pronounce I sound. I, sky, fry, shy, I. So it is actually a diphthong, double sound. I. Actually, we have a single sound in our Indian language, but it is a double sound in English language. So it is when Y ends in a word, it produces I sound. Okay. So these are the different kinds of sounds of each letter. Hope you understood. Please practice more and more to be perfect with pronunciation. Okay. So hope you understood. Thank you for watching my video. Share the video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching my video.